Hello, Asta here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just jumping in real quickly and I want to do a very short video about the products that I recently got and I'm absolutely loving them. So the products I'll be talking about today is the Jouer, the blusher and the bronzer palettes that I purchased recently, and they are amazing. So I've been testing them out for a good 2 weeks now and I must say they're so good. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm using it every day. So first of all, let me talk about the Jouer, the blush palette, and this one is called Adore Blush Duo palette, and there's two shades. So there's Adore Me shade and Hold Me shade. So these shades are actually lovely for light to medium skin types. They do look more on the matte side, but when you apply they don't look like flat. So it's actually a very nice finish. So you don't get these shiny particles in it, but at the same time you're not looking matte. The reason I decided to get this particular palette with these colors is that I have so many blushers with like a shimmers, and they're more for medium to darker skin types, and when it comes sometimes to a good smoky eye or very pale complexion, it's hard to find a good blusher that would look flattering on the skin. So I thought I'll give these a go because I heard such a great reviews about this company and especially about the blushers and bronzers. These products are actually really good. So I bought these two palettes on cultbeauty.com. I paid 28 euros, but you can get it on Sephora site as well for $30, and it's actually quite a good price because you're getting two good size products. Let me read you a little bit about this blusher palette from the description that Sephora has on their website. So this palette comes in 3 different duos. So this one here is the lightest of what they have, and they have another 2, and it says it's a matte finish, but as I said, it has like a satin finish to it. It's not flat, but it's not shimmery, but it's not, I don't know, it's just hard to explain. It's just lovely on the skin. So it delivers full pigment color and it blends to perfection. It's paraben free and sulfate free, and it's actually gluten free and talc free as well. In the description it says that this particular duo, Adore Me, is matte, warm, dusty peach, shimmering, pale, nude peach color, and I absolutely love this lighter one, which is the warm pale for when I'm wearing really dark smoky eyes and you don't want to add a lot of color to your face, or if someone's very pale, it's actually amazing on them as well because I tried on my clients. And then another palette is this one here. So it's the bronzing palette. So these are the colors and it's light to medium duo. So it does come in 2 shades. So you can get light to medium and medium to dark. I went for a lighter one again, and they blend like a dream. Although they are quite a matte finish, there's no shimmer particles, but again it has the same satiny finish like the blushers have. So it's so easy to blend it out on the skin. On Sephora again it's $30, and here in Ireland and UK it's 28 euros or 25 pounds. So it's really good value, I think, because you're getting again 2 products in one palette. On Sephora website it actually says that these bronzers contain vitamin E and it has antioxidant benefits, so, and it helps to promote healthy looking skin. Again, free of all sulfates and parabens and all the nasty things, which is actually lovely, and I think it's the same across all Jouer cosmetics range. They are actually really making an effort to remove all the harsh chemicals and harsh ingredients that your skin might not like. So even if you have more sensitive skin, I'm sure you could really try it out and it wouldn't break you out. So let me show you now how they are in action. So first I'm gonna take my the bronzer duo and I'm gonna mix the 2 colors and I'm gonna do my bronzing. So I'm mixing the 2 colors and applying it lightly on my cheekbones. So it instantly gives a very natural finish looking bronzing effect. And I'm using a big fluffy brush, so I'm not contouring yet, I'm just kind of bronzing. So I just want to add some warmth to my skin. So you can already see how nice and natural that looks for even every day. Obviously, if you're a paler person, this color would show off more intense and darker. I have a little bit of tan on. It isn't as intense, but still you can see it. It just gives you this natural looking contour and bronzing finish. So what I like about this bronzing palette as well, that the colors are not orangey, so it's a nice kind of like a taupey brown, so it won't leave you looking orangey, or you know, like sometimes you get this kind of dirty brown color for bronzers, which is not flattering, and this one here I think is just perfect for a paler and light to medium skin complexions, and it looks super natural and not fake at all. So now I'm switching to a smaller brush, and I'm taking this darker color from the palette, and I want to just kind of contour more and to intensify the shadow underneath the hollows of my cheeks, so make it deeper and appear more like looking. Again, you probably can see how natural that looks, how easily it blends, and it's just gorgeous overall. It's very natural and very lightweight bronzing or contouring. So if you want something for every day or something more natural, or as I said, if you're a paler, this would be perfect for you, because this color would even show more intense on your skin. Okay, so the next step is blushers, and I'm gonna take this palette here and I'm gonna mix the two colors again. I probably will use this more because I have this dark smoky eye today, so I don't want to have too much going on my face, so I probably will mix the two, but I'll concentrate more on the lighter one. Just mixing the two colors and smiling into the mirror and applying that on the top of my cheek. I love to apply this blush in a patting motion, so I feel it blends better. You can see the difference between this cheek and this, where there's no product. It gives this nice and natural looking blushing effect. Again, as I said, it's not completely matte. You can still see the sheen on the sides when you turn your face. So when it catches the light, it doesn't look flat at all, even though they say it's a matte one. So again, this palette is amazing for paler skin types, and even if you're light to medium like myself, you can still use it. But if you're very pale and you want to find this perfect blush, I think especially this color would be just ideal. Okay, so I'm doing the other side. So there it is, both sides done, and I am absolutely loving it. Definitely my go-to blush and contour at the minute. For every day I'm obsessed, so that's why I thought I will share with you guys the two products that I found recently and I really love. If you tried it, let me know what you think in the comments down below, and if you haven't, you can definitely invest in these palettes, because not only they are a great value palettes, but also they are superb quality, and you get two different colors. So in case you're like paler in the winter time, you can use one blush, and then if you're more tan in the summer, you can use another color, which is really clever. Same with the bronzers. So say if you're paler and not as tanned, you can go with the lighter bronzing color, and then if you are darker in the summer, you can go with the darker. And I think they just absolutely amazing, and I absolutely love them. So I hope it was helpful and informative. Let me know what you think if you have these products, or if you have any other Jouer products. I would love to buy something from this brand again. Not sure what, but I'm just impressed with the quality and the packaging. I forgot to mention the packaging. Isn't that just so pretty? Yeah, so if you have any recommendations for Jouer cosmetics, let me know in the comments down below as well, and I'll talk to you next week, and thanks for watching.